That's a neat picture. With downtown.
United States Air Force's Air Combat Team provides essential combat air support capability for today's 2020. The A-10 has consistently demonstrated its ability to fly more than 4 sorties per day, a tribute to the skill and dedication of our magnificent maintenance crews. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a hand to our outstanding maintainers and all of the service members keeping our aircraft fit to fight. Dominate the battle space anywhere on the globe. Ready to aim high, fly, fight, and win. In the past year alone, the United States Air Force flew over 510,000 hours, supporting operations in Iraq, Afghanistan, and Syria. As proud members of an all-volunteer Air Force, we hope our performance has inspired you to serve this country, alongside the professional men and women you see here in action today. If you are interested in joining today's premier aerospace team, then find any member of the United States Air Force. Any of these amazing warriors will answer any of your questions you have to help you set your course for amazing career. And don't forget to tag us using A10 Demo or at A10 Demo in all of your photos on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. On behalf of the United States Air Force, the commander of Air Combat Command, General Mark Kelly, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, thank you for your attendance, your patriotism, and your support. A10 Demo, out.
All right, a big round of applause, if you will, for the entire A-10 Demo team. And Roger Crawford, our dash bomber. Narration brought to you by Master Sergeant Drew Rehnquist. And they will be back to Blow to join up tomorrow. And again on Monday, Roger Crawford, the mass bomber, will have more gasoline and dynamite. Believe me, he never runs out. Folks,